banking space, if you look at broadly, there are three blocks over there, which is the private sector banks, the public sector banks, and the NBFCs. Clearly, if you look at the private sector banks, with all what has happened in last 1 year, I think they have started emerging promising to invest. NBFCs are something which are still struggling, and I think that's what we think will take longer to repair. Public sector banks are actually, they are going through their own metamorphosis while, government infusing capital and things like that. So if I look at all the three blocks in terms of the capital allocation, I think the private sector banks currently looks, especially the corporate facing ones, I think they looks more promising to us right now.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.